wake up. Hiking trip time.
So,
We'll go on a hiking trip. Come on, get out your stroller. Come on, guys, we're going on a hiking trip.
Right, so we can get out of here.
why do I have to walk? I feel weak.
No, baby Katana, you're old enough to walk. Come on.
Tell your dad what you're taller than.
Baby Katana, I'm going to leave you here if you're not going to walk.
I know I'm short.
You a chump. You short.
Good boy. Come on, guys, we're going on the hiking trip.
I'm 27 and Lee is 27.
No,
I know that. Come on.
I had two boom guns.
Come on, kids.
I'm not a kid though. Just here.
I know that.
me and him are brothers.
What a perfect hiking trip.
Yuppie. That means you're alone.
But you guys can't play softball.
Oh, yeah, I can. I'm a high school.
And here last I'm thrown away.
I'm in 11th grade.
Here's our backyard.
Baby Katana, what do you think of the trip so far?
It's really good.
Yep. Also, recently, me and baby Katana's father got married. I got a ring. Yes.
Daddy. What? Daddy. What?
You got married.
Oh.
Hey, baby Katana. Well, it's getting dark out, so do you want to go home?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
getting tired.
Come on, everyone.
We forgot our names.
What?
Kevin, I guess. That's my name.
You guys forgot your names?
My name's
Kevin.
Baby Katana obviously knows his name, but you guys all have gangster nicknames, so of course you'll forget your names. Okay, well, okay, baby Katana, what do you have to say about this video? Peace out, y'all.